just glassblowing is very popular for guests. It's a really sexy process, so people want to do it, and we are sold out all the time. So just being able to offer more to the general public, and by necessity also bringing more young artists on board to work, I think is also really exciting. I mean, we have this really great opportunity. I feel like the first job you get out of an undergrad is so difficult to land because most students come out of undergraduate programs with not a tremendous amount of technical skill. And it just takes time and it takes gathers. And we're we offer a really unique opportunity every summer where we almost triple our staff, and we bring in students with a year to maybe 2 years of experience at most. And we afford them, just in numbers of gathers that they do over the summer with us, the equivalency of 2 full years of what they would get at a standard academic environment. And to be able to continue to nurture and mentor and grow the glass community through this process of bringing younger artists in, I think is pretty rad.